Blood circulation is the process by which the heart pumps blood through a system of blood vessels in order to deliver oxygen and nutrients to tissues, remove waste products like carbon dioxide. There are two types of blood circulation. 1. Systemic circulation. Blood is pumped from the left side of the heart to the entire body. 2. Pulmonary circulation. Blood is pumped from the right side of the heart to the lungs. The heart is made up of 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. The right ventricle pumps blood into the pulmonary artery, and the left ventricle pumps blood into the aorta. Types of blood. 1. Oxygenated blood. Contains more oxygen than carbon dioxide. Appears bright red due to more oxygen-bound hemoglobin. 2. Deoxygenated blood. Contains more carbon dioxide than oxygen. Appears dark red or purplish due to low oxygen in hemoglobin. Pulmonary circulation. 1. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood, more carbon dioxide than oxygen, into the pulmonary artery, which transports it to the lungs. 2. In the lungs, blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide during gas exchange in the alveoli. 3. After oxygenation in the lungs, blood returns to the left atrium through the pulmonary veins. This blood is oxygenated, more oxygen than carbon dioxide. 4. This flow of blood between the heart and lungs is called pulmonary circulation. Systemic circulation. 1. Oxygen-rich blood flows from the left atrium through the mitral bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. 2. The left ventricle contracts and pumps the blood into the aorta. 3. Blood is distributed from the aorta through systemic arteries and smaller vessels called arterioles, which deliver blood to all organs. 4. In the capillaries of tissues, oxygen and nutrients, such as glucose, diffuse out into the tissue. Oxygen and glucose enter cells, combine, and produce water, ATP, energy, and carbon dioxide. This ATP is used for energy by the cells. The carbon dioxide, a waste product, enters the blood and is carried back to the heart through veins. Therefore, blood in the veins is usually deoxygenated, while blood in arteries is oxygenated. Blood from the lower part of the body enters the heart through the inferior vena cava. Blood from the head and upper limbs enters the heart through the superior vena cava. Blood from inferior and superior vena cava enter into the right atrium, and from right atrium into the right ventricle. Again, the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood into the lungs for oxygenation. Always remember that all arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. It carries deoxygenated blood from right ventricle into lungs, and all veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins, which carry oxygenated blood from lungs into the left atrium. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep learning.